22-year-old YouTuber freeze to death in snowstorm in Sweden said, "I will survive, in last message." A 22-year-old YouTuber adventurer who enjoyed being along in the wilderness froze to death in a frost snowstorm in Sweden after sending a final message to the grandmother. Storm Beul, a nature lover, was found dead in the Swedish wilderness of Lapland on October 30. He had spent much of the year hiking slow throughout the Romoto-Zomoko region. His final message to his grandmother read, "It's snowing heavily here, but don't worry, I will survive,